Hey bro, I was really sick. That's why there was really little video this period of time. Actually, I'm still sick, but do you really want to know the source of every possible information that you would really need, that you are looking for, which is just in front of your eyes? Well, if you want to know, then the short answer is the internet. Well, every person that you may know in your circle is using it, and it has a lot of advantages, although you don't know them. You're trying to find some information on how to become better, but you're thinking that it is impossible to find because, well, the best, the most successful people in this world have so good connections that they just talk with their friends and they're getting more and more. Well, yeah, actually, it is a lot better than just looking in the on the particular information on some other source. I'm not telling that those connections are bad and that they don't give anything, but for those people that are just starting on, which do really want to get the connections, but should get the knowledge before that, the internet in the today's world is literally the solution to all of that. Yeah, even a few decades ago, it wasn't really possible to get what you can get now. Well, the university courses right now, as the prices of them are just skyrocketing, the all of them actually being posted on the sites and even by those universities themselves. Well, that is the thing that basically substitutes the formal education. The every possible course on every possible topic is already in here, but you are not looking for them. Well, the today's skills that are needed in order to get the most information in this world are the skills of finding information on internet, using the artificial intelligence, and the right art of googling things. Because, well, this huge net of the connections of all of the people, nearly the population, was actually has the electricity and as well the connection to the network. They all give out the information. They are not trying to fool you, and they are sometimes posting fakes, but still, well, the today's population is addicted to the internet, and that's why it is maybe some kind of a perception that there is nothing really interesting in there for such people that want to get better. Well, all of those funny, entertaining videos, well, they may stand for the majority of the feed of some random person. Oh, well, that doesn't mean that the whole internet is like that. Well, even if you found this video, then for sure you can find out some others that can also give more knowledge on some other particular topic, and you should make everything to make your feed on social media, to make your suggestions on the Google page the ones that you really need and want to get, whether like whether it is about the riches and all of that, because there is the only way in this world in which you can ascend really easily and pretty much effortlessly without finding out really much ways in order to get the information and the knowledge that you should use in order to start some gig, it all lays in the single place, and this place is called the internet. Well, it is basically optimized for you to learn, but a lot of people are just trying to hide that, and even you by yourself are trying to kind of hide that information from yourself. If you are polluting your, you know, all of those streams of topics, all of that, if it is being polluted with some useless TikToks and all of that, then you're just getting further from the point that you want to get to. So, just get this message, because still, I have to get a bit, better. Just don't get sick. Even worse. So, well, while the next video is not uploaded, then go somewhere to the internet, get the read the article, read the ebook, anything about the topic that you want to get the best in. And on the next video, or even on this one, just write down what you have seen, what you have achieved. Well, don't forget to subscribe on this channel if you haven't, then like it, then put the notification bell on, and that was Shoom. I really believe in you, I love you, and see you soon in the next video. Have really good health, because it's really important too, and bye, see you soon.